Technology systems are key to critical infrastructure. From powering our cities through intricate grids to optimizing manufacturing processes, OT and ISIS plays a vital role. Since these systems are important and have the exposure to many threats, organizations must take responsibility to keep these complex devices safe. As IT and OCSE systems are used even in the healthcare industry, they can cause vulnerable malware attacks and phishing, which can disrupt confidential information and can also cause immense damage to people. Attack vector is the method or combination that cyber criminals use to breach or infiltrate a victim's network. OT and hospitals, the Achilles heel of the healthcare industry. Health organizations use pacemakers, insulin pumps, and other medical, which run on software, which are subjected to multiple security breaches. This means protecting data is no longer just a matter of data loss, but also poses threat to patients' lives. Healthcare's most exploitative cyber attack vectors.
Now let's illustrate a scenario where a company's employee gets an anonymous email. The sender can deceive the employee by impersonating. As the employee clicks the suspicious link, they are directed to fake websites which look similar to the original ones. When the victim enters data, the attacker can use this to exploit information. In some cases, phishing emails may contain attachments or links that may be used to steal data. To address the issue of phishing, one can consider using the COTS solution that secures systems from cyber attacks.